Ready to turn your PC into a money-making machine and dive into the exciting world of Ethereum mining. First, let's talk hardware. Your graphics card is the key player here, so make sure you have a powerful one with at least 6 GB of RAM, the more the merrier. Also, ensure your power supply can handle the extra load and that your cooling system is up to the task to prevent overheating. Next, we need mining software. Popular choices include Lolminer, TrexMiner, and PhoenixMiner. Download your chosen software from their official website to avoid any malware. We will be using Lolminer for this example. Now, let's choose a mining pool. A pool combines your computing power with others, increasing your chances of solving the complex calculations and earning rewards. Popular choices include Ethermine, F2Pool, and Nanopool. Compare their fees, minimum payouts, and server locations to find the best fit. Once you've installed your software and selected a pool, it's time to configure your mining software. This usually involves editing a configuration file or using a command line interface. You'll need to enter your Ethereum wallet address and the pool server address. Refer to your chosen pool setup guide for the exact parameters. After you've set everything up, run the mining software and monitor your hash rate. That's the speed at which your graphics card is solving those complex problems. Keep an eye on your GPU temperature to ensure everything is running smoothly. And that's it. You're now mining Ethereum. Remember to research the profitability and power consumption of your setup to optimize your earnings. Happy mining.